Hello everyone, welcome back to Shomu's Biology. This is going to be a very serious video for those who fail to qualify CSIR at Life Science examination. Now, अभी ये बोलना ठीक नहीं होगा कि who failed, but you get a sense of idea whether you will pass or not, because based on the predictions and based on the previous year's cutoffs, we know that from a general category, if you haven't scored 99 percentile or above, there's a very low chance that you'll qualify. तो वहां पे लोग बहुत सारे लोग मुझसे पूछ रहे थे व्हाट विल यू डू नाउ, व्हाट शुड वी डू नाउ एट दिस प्रेजेंट मोमेंट, द मोरल इज डाउन and how to get ourselves up for the preparation. I myself made a video on CSI percentile scam and why percentile system is not good, why two shift system is not good. But keeping everything aside, if you are a person who want to do something in the field of life science in a higher studies in India, then CSIR NET is the only best option for you. ये भी देखो, CSIR NET ही सबसे बड़ा ऑप्शन है तुम्हारे सामने to do PhD in India. बाहर जाना चाहते हो तो there's a separate deal. But if you want to stay in India and do PhD or continue with the future job of lectureship, permanent position of lectureship in colleges and universities, then CSIR NET is the way to go. क्योंकि ये CSIR UGC joint collaboration है, तो यहाँ पे qualify करना है, right? और अगर qualify करना ही है, in that case you need to just get rid of this failure. Very important that you get rid of this failure. Obviously take every single mistake that you did in this particular exam, right? You understand that very clearly so that you shouldn't repeat them. उसको repeat नहीं करना है, दोहराना नहीं है बाद में. जो गलतियां इस season इस exam में हुआ है, you need to fix those in the upcoming examination. That is called life, that is called moving forward, because a failure will hit you, but you need to continue moving forward, and the person who don't stop, who will never stop, continue moving forward, is going to win. I know students who have tried 7, 8, 9 attempts and then qualified the exam, and now doing PhD. After the PhD, they have already been posted as an assistant professor. So ये जिंदगी का नाम है, ये बढ़ते रहना. You have to continue moving forward, and that is most important. Now the question is, what is need to be done? What need to be done is to check your raw score. सबसे बड़ी गलती जो मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स ने की इस बार, they haven't checked their raw score very well. अब मैंने उस वीडियो में बताया था लैक ऑफ फोकस. कुछ लोग खुद को डिफेंड करने आए थे कि आप लैक ऑफ फोकस नहीं बोल सकते बिकॉज इट वॉज डिलेड. 25% तो वैसे ही नहीं एग्जाम देने जाते. मैं ये नहीं मानूंगा 25% एग्जाम क्यों नहीं देने जाएंगे, राइट? इफ यू कंसिडर दिस एग्जाम टू बी डू और डाई फॉर यू, you will do anything to get and reach the centers, whether the centers are 200 kilometers away from your home, people get in there, right? There are people, और पहले भी आते थे, जब पेन एंड पेपर होता था तब भी लोग आता था, right? हमारे टाइम पे भी I also travel 50 kilometers to get an exam center, which was pen and paper center. तो 50, 60, 80 किलोमीटर ट्रेवल करना है, and the exam is on from 9 AM. So सर्दियों के दिन you have to get up early and travel through the public transport to that area. I've known people who came 180, 200 kilometers away, from 200 kilometers away, and slept in the railway station waiting room before the exam night. फिर भी उनको मिला ना. So that dedication is somewhere lacking. मैं वही उसी चीज की बात करता हूँ. टेम्परमेंट, द डेडिकेशन इज लैकिंग. होना नहीं चाहिए ऐसा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, नहीं होना चाहिए ऐसा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर होना चाहिए दैट एवरीबॉडी गेट टू अटेंड द एग्जाम इन अ पीस ऑफ माइंड. मगर एक बात सोचो कि अगर कोई 10 मिनट में एग्जाम सेंटर पहुंच रहा है, एंड अनदर पर्सन इज रीचिंग द एग्जाम सेंटर फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस डे नाइट, दोनों के मेंटल स्टेट सेम नहीं रहता. मगर एग्जाम पेपर सेम है, दोनों को एक ही ट्रीटमेंट दिया जाएगा इन टर्म्स ऑफ नेगेटिव मार्किंग, बट स्टिल दैट पर्सन वोन इन मेनी ओकेशंस. दैट इज द इंटेंट एंड यू शुड नॉट लीव दैट इंटेंट. वो इंटेंट के साथ जाना है. इसके लिए कितना फोकस रहना है, बेसिकली इस एग्जाम के बारे में जानना है. व्हाट इज नेट, हाउ मेनी यूनिट्स आर देयर, व्हाट इज द सिलेबस, चेक द प्रीवियस ईयर्स क्वेश्चंस. अगर सेल्फ प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो तो मेक दिस चैनल योर गाइड, बिकॉज इस चैनल पे ना 4000 से ऊपर वीडियो है, नॉट 2, 3, 4 वीडियोज. You probably have seen 2, 3, 4 videos regarding net. That is not enough. मैं subjective video बनाना कम कर दिया है, because I have already made all the subjective videos 2, 3 times earlier. और वो fundamental videos है, उसका value कम नहीं हो जाता with 10 years or 8 years time frame. You can still get back to that, because DNA replication वैसा ही होता है अभी भी, change नहीं हुआ है कुछ. ठीक है, डाइडियोक्सी सीक्वेंसिंग वैसा ही है, चेंज नहीं हुआ है कुछ. सो यू कैन वॉच दोज वीडियोज इवन दो इट अपलोडेड 8 years ago. That is still relevant, still valid. So watch those lectures, make this channel your friend. All free videos are out there, 4,000 videos, nobody even come close to uploading that much of video, and all the contents that are out there किसी भी PhD entrance के लिए sufficient है. And recently I got a comment that a person qualified with the help of the videos only. I'm putting this comment screenshot here. I'm hiding the identity of the person by covering up the name, but you can see the comment of the person. Now what we are trying to say is that you need to check your score. आपको अपना score, raw score जानना है. ये सब percentile normalization के चक्कर में मत पड़ो. You need to know how much you scored out of 200. और वो कैसे पता चलेगा? That is the only way to get it. The only way to know it is basically you need to check your response sheet with the answer key. अब response sheet तो पहले आ चुका है, अभी आपके पास response sheet शायद नहीं है. If you haven't downloaded, you don't have it. Answer key will still be there. So answer key and response sheet, you need to tally the two to count your own score. वो खुद करना है भाई, इतना तो काम करना पड़ेगा ना अगर क्वालिफाई करना है एक नेशनल लेवल एग्जाम. हर एक क्वेश्चन को चेक करना है कि मुझे ये यहाँ पे 4, यहाँ पे 2, या फिर you need to also calculate the negative marking and find out the real score. To find out every single part A, part B and part C, how much you scored. ए बी सी में कितना मिला और कितना कितना रॉन्ग आंसर्स हुआ, उसके लिए नेगेटिव मार्किंग अलग से कैलकुलेट करो एंड यू विल गेट द टोटल स्कोर ऑफ योर्स. दैट इज द एक्चुअल थिंग दैट यू शुड डू. अगर इस बार मिस कर दिए तो कोई बात नहीं है. फॉर द नेक्स्ट सेशन, फॉर द अपकमिंग सेशन, प्लीज डू दैट. Whenever they release the response sheet, download it. Do not get into that laptop or desktop and download that response sheet in PDF, open it, check it. It will take hardly 30 minutes. 30 मिनट लगेंगे. आप आपके स्कोर के बारे में पता चल जाएगा. हाउ मच यू स्कोर्ड, व्हाट इज योर रॉन्ग आंसर्स, हाउ मेनी नेगेटिव मार्किंग्स. देन यू विल गेट अ क्लियर सेंस ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग. देयर आर plenty of students who shared this scorecard to me and said that please comment on what I need to do in order to improve. अगर किसी को 64 परसेंटाइल आया, मैं क्या उसको बताऊंगा कि कैसे इंप्रूव करना है. 64 परसेंटाइल आया मतलब कितना स्कोर आया, आई डोंट नो. That person doesn't know. तो कैसे पता चलेगा? 64 परसेंटाइल मिलने से हमको कुछ घंटा पता चलता है, कुछ नहीं पता चलता. हमें यह जानना है कि आपको पार्ट ए में कितना मिला इन रॉ मार्क्स 30 में से, पार्ट बी में 50 में से कितना मिला, पार्ट सी में 100 में से, पार्ट बी में 70 में से कितना मिला, पार्ट सी में 100 में से कितना मिला, पार्ट ए में 30 में से कितना मिला. वी नीड टू नो ऑल दिस and how many wrong negative markings that are done. Then we can comment whether your mark is down due to negative marking, whether your marks is down because you failed to attend many questions. So then we can say something. So without raw score, we cannot justify, we cannot analyze your examination pattern. So do that from the next exam onward. Mark this video, save this video, because again in the next, if the exam is on September or December, you will mostly forget about this. So do not forget about it. That's a request, because every single session I need to make the same video, and after the examination you'll see. So you need to download the response sheet, check the score and get to know about your raw score status. And then after knowing the raw score, then you get back, then we can discuss the what you need to work on. But one simple idea I can tell you, if somebody gets a score less than 80 percentile, they need to work really hard. They need to read a lot. Their fundamentals are not clear. Their answers may be too many negative markings. But if somebody got score more than 90 percentile, for those, they only need a little bit of changes. Those every student scored more than 90 percentile, they are in the same page. They need to know proper tactics and tips and tricks and skills to answer most of the question in proper time and attain the question in time, under time limit, and also reduce their negative marking to get a score beyond 98 or 99 percentile to qualify for the examination. तो किसी को 90 परसेंटाइल से ऊपर है तो दैट इज अ सेपरेट लीग ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स. उनके लिए सिर्फ थोड़ा बहुत गाइडेंस चाहिए. यू कैन जॉइन अ कोचिंग सेंटर और गेट अ मेंटर हु विल गाइड यू टू डू दैट. यू कैन चूज अस और एनी अदर कोचिंग सेंटर ऑफ योर चॉइस दैट यू कैन अफोर्ड. Next is that if you scored less than 80 percentile, then you need to read, brother. You need to read, brother or sister, whoever watching this video. You need to read from the books, from the peer-reviewed books, and not shortcuts, because shortcut से one liner पढ़ने से कुछ नहीं होगा अगर 80 percentile से नीचे आया है तो. You need to read the basics, clear the basics. For that you can join a coaching institute or you can watch lectures that is present in this video. देखो free के लिए बहुत कुछ है. For free you will get all the videos of 4000 videos of mine in this channel. 3500 will be subjective videos. All those videos will help you to do that. So go with the video. If you don't have any money, you just go with those lectures free of cost. All the lectures 10 years ago uploaded, 12 years ago uploaded, 13 years ago uploaded, all are still valid. You don't need to see who is watching in 2025. That's not a Bollywood song. It is a fundamental concept explanation. It is still relevant in 2025. It will remain relevant in 2030. So watch those. And second thing is that you can get a study material. If you want a specific guidance over all the 13 units and a proper exam oriented manner, you can get our study material, which is of lower cost. Coaching is 15,200 around price. If it is not affordable by you, in that case you can get our study material. The usual price 7,900, but in that 7,900 you have video lectures, you have 5 books delivered to your place, video lectures as a pen drive and the 5 books to your place. But if at this moment, if you fail to score more than 80 percentile, then we will be providing it at a discount of flat 2,000 rupees off, and now you can get it at 5,900 rupees only for those who scored less than 80 percentile. If you scored less than 80 percentile, we reduce the price for you because we want you to get into that 90 percentile and over 90 percentile range. तो आप लोगों के लिए एक ऑफर, और इस ऑफर में आपको ये 5 बुक्स मिलेंगे. एक PYQ एक्सप्लेनेशन बुक, एक बायोलॉजी मैथ प्रॉब्लम्स बुक ये वाला, and there will be 3 books of subjective knowledge, plus you'll get a 32 GB pen drive with video lectures and study guide videos and soft copy of question papers to practice. This whole set you will get for 5,900, and we have only 5 copies to be distributed like that because we are doing it as a very minimal cost of benefit here from our side. We want you to excel. If you scored less than 80 percentile, then you will be eligible to get this. So if you want to get this, you just contact us over the number 9804654228. The number is here shown in this video, and you just say WhatsApp and share your scorecard. If it is less than 80 percentile, you are eligible to get this 5 books with pen drive package for 5,900 only. And from the next month onwards, we are going to increase the price because our packaging is being remolded, so it will be 8,900. So basically you will be getting a huge discount if you get it now, and only those who scored less than 80 percentile, जो 80 percentile को कम मिला उन्हीं को सिर्फ ये मिलेगा, और ऐसे 5 लोगों को मिलेगा. ऐसा फर्स्ट का फर्स्ट सर्व बेसिस. सो act fast if you want to get it. I'm not just trying to sell this course because eventually 5 copies will be sold by the end of the day after this video is live, that I know for sure. But the thing is, agar aapko, if you can't afford any of the services, you can only watch the free videos, which will be definitely beneficial for you. और अगर आप चाहते हो कि एक्स्ट्रा कुछ बेनिफिट मिले, ये बुक्स के साथ साथ आपको, you will have my number so that you can contact me over your career counseling troubles, तो वो सपोर्ट भी आपको मिलेगा, and everything for this 5,900 for the 5 people. तो वो ट्राई आप कर सकते हो. Otherwise it's your choice to get into a coaching. हमारे नेक्स्ट बैच की कोचिंग के एडमिशन मई मंथ से स्टार्ट होगा. यू कैन ऑल्सो ट्राई दैट, बट दिस आर सेपरेट थिंग्स. बट रिमेंबर, इफ यू वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट योर स्कोर, देन प्लीज चेक योर स्कोर, योर रिस्पॉन्स शीट विथ द आंसर की दैट has been released. ठीक है, तो ये करना है आपके लिए अभी. And you do not lose hope. You do not just blame CSIR. We also blame CSIR and NTA for percentile and 2 shift, but what it is, how it is, and it's been there for the last 4-5 years. So we need to deal with that, and there are people qualifying even with this normalization and all these things. So instead of just blaming them, work on your score, and so that get a score that fetch you GRF. All the very, very best for the upcoming examination and for the upcoming preparation. Please start preparation because the exam will be on September or December, and you should be well prepared for it. Thank you.